akulunges da buko limda ebe erabe ebe lala kwapno ko Uganda ida yanga kikwes apak ne lal kanukada dolon kini district an lwegi tigita tete keny itituoro ingar no ko luki Ikansulon luka Angor kanukada ajenunda ipelun ke kalona kada ai tutuor Angor akulunges da bu kilip ingar no ko Angor ker anyunda ebe mame ejalete ipelun ke konye busakint ke sanyunda ebe ingara inete Angor kere kanukada ajaut kotomla napeta nwegi tigita nwe jokak nunde pirite ayaun ajuran kinetanu ka jokak kotomnada okalia kej.
I came specifically to give them to continue informing them about their roles as women, mobilizing women towards government programs, unifying women in all areas that are good, and also to continue following issues like domestic violence and stuff that affect women as women. And I'm also hopeful that from today, the women are going to do a lot more than they have been doing.
Grace Apio, adiupati koto Angor nada buko dum ai tutuoro, ngesa buko limda ebe, kapana kwa ngesa anyunda ebe, ingara ini, Angora nude euta nges ai ngara niki.
I've learned about our roles. So we have taken long without knowing our roles, what we have to play in our village. So I've known that in our role, we should make that all the children in our village who are not studying, we should make sure that we should take them to school.
What I've understand from today's training, I've known my roles. First of the roles I've known is when some people are not staying well in their family, I also go and teach them. I give them advice as a women counselor of the area. Secondly, I have to see that even some women join the groups such that the government programs, like the projects, they also get from the village there.
Nadera polon echolong, lokade council lokangor ko district loko kalaki, Immaculate Asomo, ngesabu ko limdabe irwane pu, ajalan kini kes kau kwa pingar no kuluka, Ikansulon lokangor, iborene todunt daebe, balabam kes ajenete ni busakin tida aswam.
Women Council Kalaki District. Today was the induction of the Women Council. So we done it in Rubella. I think it will bring the change to women and to make women to know their role for Women Council. We have been seeing the challenge because we have not inducted. So today we get induction. I think we are now aware to everything to go through.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokalaki District.